Spot Bot Pet. This revolutionary spot and stain cleaner is hands-free and easy to use. No more manual chemicals needed. Just set the machine on the stain and enjoy the freedom to walk away while it does the work for you. Bissell's new Deep Reach technology delivers solution further into the carpet where the deepest part of the stain resides. Cleaning solution is released into the carpet, then suctioned back up to remove those tough pet stains. It's totally automated. Computer-controlled action does the work for you. And for added versatility, the Spot Bot Pet offers 2 customized cleaning cycles. The surface stain cycle is for use on fresh stains, and the set-in cycle is for older, tougher stains. It even lets you know when the cleaning is complete. But its features don't stop there. Attach the tough stain brush to the hose, and you'll be able to thoroughly clean hard-to-reach areas like stairs, upholstery, even auto interiors. The Spot Bot Pet is versatile and will go anywhere you need it to go. It's true hands-free cleaning that takes the guesswork out of spot cleaning. The Spot Bot Pet removes up to 99% of odor-causing bacteria when used with Bissell 2X Pet Stain and Odor Compact Formula. It also features Microban antimicrobial product protection, which prevents the growth of odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew. The new Spot Bot Pet from Bissell. Spot it, bought it, got it. True innovation by Bissell.